that the process of making a lens is a very difficult one. In fact, it's so difficult that a perfect lens is ever so complex to make, so compromises have to be made. When making a lens, there can occur faults that mean that the light passing through the lens changes direction or is distorted by the time it reaches the film or digital sensor. These faults are known as lens aberrations and can occur across the whole range of focal lengths. One reason why there are different lenses made is so that the lenses can be designed so that there are minimum or no lens aberrations affecting the picture quality at that focal length, whereas using that particular lens at other distance than it was designed for, the aberrations will be presented as some sort of light distortion. A micro lens is a lens specially designed to take close-up pictures. The term micro is shortened from photomicrography, a whole subjective field in the world of photography. A micro lens magnifies from a quarter's life size to a 1 radio and closer, still up to 5 or 10 times greater than life size. The lens is specially designed to focus at close subject distances. However, because of this deep of field, or a micro lens is very shallow, so you need to use a higher aperture, a tripod, and be extra critical on focusing your subject.